Today we are going to see scale of measurement. The data required in the statistic for different analysis purpose. So, this data is how to be measured or how this data is measured. So, there are 4 scales of measurement, namely nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale and ratio scale. In the nominal scale, we used to categorize the object. Example, we can see a gender. Gender we say as a male, female or transgender. So, here what happened, we gave the labels to particular objects. So, these labels are male, female and transgender. Similarly, we have color of flower. So, here there are different colors are there, red, pink, white, yellow. So, we are indicating the label to the object. So, we are just categorize the object. In ordinal scale, we used to categorize the object with natural order. We will see example, taste of chili. So, this is a green chili will be hot, when it is little ripe it will become hotter, when it is red color it is hottest. That means, we give the label hot, hotter and hottest, it has the order, increasing order or what you can say the based on the taste. We know that the taste in the chili because of capsaicin. Interval scale, the scale used to categorize the object with natural order and has equal interval between the categories. Like the previous scale, it has the labeling and the order. In addition that, we have the equal interval between the categories. So, let us see that. So, here you should remember there is no true 0 point, there is a no true 0 point. We will see one example. So, classical example of this scale is the temperature in the degree Celsius and the degree Fahrenheit. We say that the difference between 20 degree Celsius and 10 degree Celsius is 10, while as the difference between 30 degree Celsius and 20 degree Celsius is 10 degree Celsius. So, here we can say that there is a equal interval between the differences of the two categories. Now, here the 0 degree Celsius does not mean there is no temperature, that is the 0 does not indicate the absence of value. In this example, if you say that the 0 degree Celsius, that means we say that there is some temperature, we are not saying there is absence of temperature. Also, we are not saying that the 40 degree Celsius is twice hot than the 20 degree Celsius. So, this is the important point in the interval scale. Ratio scale, the scale used to categorize the object with natural order and have equal interval between the categories with true 0 point. That means, it has the meaning, 0 has its meaning. Example, we say the height, weight of particular object. So, if you want to measure the height of a crop, we use the in centimeters or in the meters. Now, the difference between 20 and 10 degree centimeter is 10 centimeter, 30 and 20 centimeter is also 10 centimeters. So, here we are having equal interval and the 0 means there is no height, 0 means absence of value, and we say that the 40 centimeter is twice than the 20 centimeter. So, we will see the different scales and their characteristics. Nominal scale, we have only categories or labeling. In the ordinal scale, we have the labeling plus order. In interval scale, we have the categories with orders, equal spacing, but absence of true 0. In the ratio scale, we have the categories, order, equal spacing and absolute 0. There is a true 0 will be present. So, these are the difference in the different scales. We have seen that nominal scale and ordinal scale, we are not having any metric unit. That means, we are not measuring the centimeter, kg. So, we call this data as a qualitative data. While as interval and the ratio in scale we use metric units centimeter kg. So, such data we call as quantitative data. So, there are two data types, qualitative data and quantitative data. Consider an example. So, this is for homework for you. You can identify which scale is for particular example. Gender of COVID-19 patient. Okay, it is a male, female or transgender. Blood pressure of the COVID-19 patient. Marital status of COVID-19 patient. Feeling after the vaccination, whether it is a good, worst, neutral or better. How likely you recommend the hospitality of a COVID-19 special hospital, particular hospital is there, how the treatment is given in the particular hospital. They ask the rating 0 to 5. 5 means highly satisfied, 0 means not at all satisfied. So, likewise we are getting after any from the call center of any phone company. So, give us feedback in the 0 to 5 scale. So, try to think which scales are used in this example. So, to receive such updates, subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay. Thank you. We will see next time.